Here at Pharraway, these are the doors to the 1966 fastback Mustang. Today they're gonna be priming them and painting them brown to match the interior. Here's the final product of the interior side of the door. As you can see, the finish is a satin finish, so it has a very low sheen. This was an option that I picked so that we can blend it in with the leather, which is usually of a satin finish as well. I'll jump you over to the leather samples so you can see the comparison. Now, when we first color matched the paint, this was the leather sample that we were given. Now, due to the shipping circumstances, this was no longer an option, so we had to pick a close match, which is that one there. The swatch you're looking at is a vinyl, but the leather matches the exact same color. So, depending on the light, you can tell that it's a close match. And I'm sure that once we put everything together, once we bring in all the door panels and all the chrome pieces that come around here, it's all gonna come together very nicely. Guys, make sure you stay tuned to keep up with all the things that are occurring with this 66 Mustang. If you yourself have a project similar to this, make sure you subscribe so you can learn some things from what we're doing here before you invest your own money and have to make some choices. You can always look at what we're doing to see if it's something that you'd like to implement on your project. I hope that this short video was helpful and that you can use it for your project. Stay tuned for more videos.